Hello students, we are going to continue the examples in the exercise 5.4. Now here 16th example. Find the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the point of intersection and passing through the point of intersection of the lines x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. Okay, now here we want to find the equation of line. Okay, we know that to find the equation of line, we know the slope of line and line passing through point, or the 2 points on the line, that is slope point form or line passing through 2 points. Okay, here the given required line is a parallel to the x-axis. That means we know the slope of the given line, it is a required line. Okay, here the required line, it is a parallel to the x-axis, therefore the slope of the required line, it is a 0. And given lines, okay, these are two given lines, and here condition it is the line passing through point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, so first we find the point of intersection of these two lines, and then the required equation passing through the point of intersection and having slope 0, then find the equation of line. Here given lines, given lines are, it is first line x plus 2, sorry, it is x plus y is equal to 2, here minus 2, here equal to, it is equation number 1. Then second line, it is 4x plus 3y is equal to 10, it is equation number 2. Okay, here are given lines. Okay, now we find the point of intersection of these two lines, that means the common solution of these two lines. Point of intersection, it is a common point on both lines. Okay, now to find the point of intersection, solve the equation. Here to find point of intersection, solve 1 and 2. Okay, equation of line 1 and 2. Now here we multiply equation number by 4 and subtract them, or we multiply equation number 1 by 3. Here if we multiply 3, then y get cancelled. If we multiply by 4, then x get cancelled. Now 4 into equation number 1 minus equation number 2, this gives, here we find the point of intersection, that is the common solution of the equation of lines, and the equation of lines are the linear equations, that is the solution of the simultaneous linear equation. Okay, here then 4 into equation number 1, therefore 4x plus 4y is equal to 8, and then here 4x plus 3y is equal to 10, and therefore subtraction. Okay, here 4x get cancelled, here y is equal to minus 2. Okay, y is equal to minus 2, then by any equation, it is by equation number 1, y is equal to minus 2, therefore x plus y, it is a minus 2, is equal to 2. Minus 2, here will come, it is a plus, therefore x is equal to 4. Okay, therefore point of intersection point of intersection of line 1 and 2 is 4 comma minus 2. Okay, it is the point of intersection. Okay, see carefully. Now we want to find the equation of line passing through this point and parallel to the x-axis. Now here required line. Required line is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, slope of required line is 0. Okay. Therefore, m is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of line passing through point 4 comma minus 2 and having slope zero is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then y minus y1, it is minus 2, is equal to 0 into x minus 4, and therefore equation is y plus 2 is equal to 0. It is the required equation of line which is parallel to the x-axis and passing through the intersection of these 2 points. Okay, here now we see the next example. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection passing through the point of intersection of lines x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and making intercept three on the x-axis. Okay. Now here we want to find the equation of line. So to find the equation of line, it is a point and slope of the line, and line passing through point is a compulsory. Okay. Here the required line passing through the intersection of these 2 points. Okay, that means intersection of the point, one point, line passing through point, that is the point of intersection of these 2 lines, and also given the line making intercept 3 on the x-axis. Required line makes intercept 3 on the x-axis. That means line passing through point 3 comma 0, it is a x-intercept. x intercept it is a 3, therefore the point is coordinates are 3, 0 on the x-axis. That means line passing through point 3, 0 and line passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. That means here we have the line passing through 2 points. Okay, and then we know the equation of line passing through 2 points. It is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x2. x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. Here we use the formula equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, see carefully. Here it is a given lines. X plus y minus 2 equal to 0, it is equation number 1. Second equation it is 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, it is the second equation. Okay, now we find the point of intersection, therefore solve these two equations. Therefore it is a common solution of these two equations, it is a point of intersection of these two lines. Okay, therefore we can solve this equation. We multiply equation number 1 by 3, then it is y get cancelled. It is 3 into equation number 1 plus equation number 2, this goes here, see carefully. 3x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, multiply by 3. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and then adding them, okay, plus it is 5x, 3y get cancelled, and here minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x, it is 2 by 5. Okay. The value of x is 2 by 5. Now by 1, x, it is a 2 by 5 plus y and minus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore y is equal to, here see carefully, y, it is 2 by 5 minus 2, see carefully, 2 by 5 minus 2, it is minus 10, that is 2 minus 10, that is minus 8 by 5, minus 8 by 5 plus y, minus 8 by 5 is side lagay, therefore it is 8 by 5. Therefore the point of intersection of lines 1 and 2 is, it is 2 by 5 comma 8 by 5. It is a point of intersection. Okay, here now we find the one point on required line, and second point it is here, and required line make intercept on x-axis is 3. Therefore coordinates of x-intercept are 3, 0 are the coordinates, and then required line passing through now these 2 points. Then required line passing through points, it is 2 by 5, 8 by 5 and 3, 0. Then we know that the equation of line passing through 2 points, that is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Therefore equation of line, equation of required line is, okay, here see carefully, x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Then x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. Now they calculate. Here it is 5x minus 2 upon 5, and here 15 minus 2, it is a 13 upon 5. Upon 5 get cancelled. Now here it is only 13 is equal to same 5y minus 8 upon minus 8. 5 get cancelled. Now multiply by 8 here and multiply by 13. Therefore we can write here multiply by 8, it is 40x. It is okay. Multiply by 8 here, minus take. Now here it is 40x minus 60. Only multiply by 8 here, minus here, that means it is minus and it is plus, is equal to minus 65y minus it is 65 and plus 13 into it is 104. Okay, now take this side, it is 40x plus 65y, and 104 becomes minus, then it is minus 120 is equal to 0. Now here take common, it is a 5. Okay, then it is 8x plus 13y, and it is minus, when we take 5 common, it is a 2 and 4, 24. Okay, now it is a required equation of line which is passing through the intersection of these two lines and having intercept 3 on the x-axis. Okay, see carefully, here we use the equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay, and in the last example we use the equation of line passing through point and having slope. Okay, see carefully both problems.